All right, YouTube family. So I didn't get a chance to record because I was, worrying about getting this mixed together and everything. But that's the first row set in there. Use that Quickcrete as you saw. So we working on it. We're getting this set, and those are adjustable. So we're going to be able to get everything set. But there we are, and it's got that little bit of tilt to it because these move a little bit. So yeah, first time putting down the concrete, YouTube family, first time. So we'll see how everything goes, see how it sets, and then get you the update. But everything is level and plumb, lined up. So yeah, we're moving right along, YouTube family. So we got 4 more rows to do.